Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Cursor AI in Windows. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what we need to do is type in our Google browser Cursor AI, and then you will see here cursor.com. This is their official website. Now, here at the top right corner, you will see this white button download. So click on that. And then you have here latest version for Mac OS, Windows, Linux. So here you can select which OS you have and how powerful it is. So I will click here at the top, download for Windows. Now we need to wait a few seconds that this thing loads up and we will start the installation process. Okay, so let's open up this thing here. Run this like so. Okay, now we need to go uh, through all this process again. Then we need to wait a few moments, and now we can launch the cursor, and let's see what will happen. All right, let me show you here what's going on. And yeah, this is how you can install Cursor AI on Windows or on your Mac. Is the same thing. You just need to be careful here that you select the correct one, or if you are using Linux, that you also select here the correct version. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next